Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today we're doing something a little bit different. Puffin reached out to me and asked if I would do a review on these, and these are so freaking adorable. These are so cute. I'm going to show you all about these, and we're actually going to do a project with this. These are cute, adorable little dress attire for your cans or bottles, and they fit 12 ounces. They're so cool. So let me show it to you. If you have a drink, you just place this in here and you can zip it up. Isn't that so adorable? It's very sturdy and it sits up. This is just the cutest thing ever. This is definitely a must-have for anybody. I can't imagine why you wouldn't want this. It is so freaking cute. This one is called a parka. So many to choose from. This one is a hoodie sweatshirt. Isn't that adorable? So cute. So I thought, of course, I am going to do HTV vinyl on here, and I thought this would make such an amazing gift for so many different things, especially as kids go back to school soon. How cute is this for a teacher? You know, personalize it, Mrs. So-and-so. I just thought this was too cute. Love it. That is what we're going to do today. We are going to personalize this and just make it even cuter, which I don't think is possible, but I want to make sure that this is mine and nobody in my house takes it. So we're going to personalize this. I just want to jump on and say how awesome they are, and if you like them as much as I do, I'm going to leave the description and the link below. Let me show you. It's actually insulated on the inside as well. Isn't that amazing? So awesome. So cool. Let's go ahead and personalize it. And what I did is I already pre-cut the HTV vinyl and I weeded it. I went ahead and I have this all ready, and we are going to, let's cut a little extra off actually. Let's and what I'm going to do is, so we're going to do YouTube. How cute is that? So I'm going to place this just like this. Let's move this over here. So just like this. And then I'm going to use heat resistant tape to just kind of go over it, make sure it stays in place. Okay, so, and we fix that. It's a little lopsided. Let's see here. So, okay, so I'm gonna iron this first, and then we put the tube part on it. But let me just make sure this doesn't move, and then let's also make sure that this, isn't that so freaking adorable? So cute. So I don't even know if you saw all that I did. So what we're gonna do is, they're all separate HTV vinyl, and I'm using heat resistant tape, and we are going to iron this on and then apply this. So we're gonna go ahead and use a mini press. So let's get that heated up. So we are heating up the Cricut Easy Press. Okay, so I have it on the third one, and we're just gonna be careful. We don't wanna give it too much heat. And I have my hand on the opposite side. We're just gonna push. Take that one off. And we're gonna carefully take this one off. Okay, perfect. And then the last one we have is this right here. So we're just gonna line this up just like so. Isn't that adorable? All right, we'll put our little parchment paper on, which I'm not sure I did last time. We're just doing very gently, well, firmly, but not a long time. So cute. I'm going to do it a little bit longer. So I'm doing it for about 5 seconds or so. Oh my gosh, isn't that so cute? I absolutely love this. It is so adorable, and it would make a great gift for anybody, especially for the holidays coming up. Just something different, especially for teachers. You know, just so cute, isn't that? You can personalize their name. So cute, you guys. So I was super excited and I had to jump on and share. And let me show you the other one again. So cute. So I just wanted to jump on and share and show you how amazing and so cool these are. They're such a unique gift and adorable. I don't know how many times I can say adorable. And look how sturdy this is. It's such a nice bottom. So nice. I absolutely love these. And if you love them too, I'm going to leave them in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button on the way out. Bye, guys.